Tiwala ang Forces of the Philippines na makukumpleto ngayong taon ang ilang proyekto sa Pag-asa Island sa West Philippine Sea. Ayon kay Armed Forces spokesperson Colonel Francel Margaret Padilla, tapos na ang extension ng runway sa isla sa dulong kanluran ng bansa. Meron na din niyang power source at desalination facility ang maritime features, habang ginagawa naman umano ang control tower development ng hangar at pantalan ng Pag-asa.
Before we landed, nag-conduct na nga tayo ng aerial maritime patrol natin. For the upcoming days, we'll see more of the island and itong mga features natin dito sa West Philippine Sea area. So this is both operational as well as symbolic, kasi we'd like to have this an activity then as we celebrate our 126th Kalayaan. Yes, before we landed, there was a radio challenge. There was one radio challenge that occurred, but hindi na to nag-prosper. And with that, ang sagot naman ng ating mga piloto is, of course, we are attesting pa rin, and upholding our sovereign rights in the area. And nandito pa rin talaga na talagang we will attest near the area na nung pa-landing na siya a few minutes before. Ating runway is 100% complete na. So yung mga ancillaries na lang sa paligid, yun na lang yung for completion, and we're aiming to complete it within the year. So with that, kasama yan sa ating Horizon 3 projects, and yun nga, completed na yung hangar natin. Konti na lang yung ini-aim natin na matapos, but tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung mga programa natin, not just for the Armed Forces of the Philippines, but for the whole island. So tinitignan natin dito are multi-role facilities, not just for the defense, but also yung HADR natin doon, and of course, paggamit na rin sa ating community. So magkakaroon pa rin tayo ng mga enhancements to all of these projects, kasi syempre ang gusto natin is development in general. So we'd like to really look at the future of Pag-asa Island, and hopefully baka in the near future this can also be a tourist spot, So itong ating runway can also be used for civilian aircrafts.
Hindi naman alintana ng Forces of the Philippines ang presensya ng Chinese Coast Guard at People's Liberation Army Navy sa tinawag na Symbolic Maritime Patrol bago ang araw ng Kalayaan. Ako si Edwin Moreno sa Kalawit News, una ka sa balita.